Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Gvanity. So today I'm giving you guys a tutorial. I know it's been a while since I've done a tutorial, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I'm going to start out by priming my lids, and I am using the Tarte concealer, and I'm just using a beauty blender to blend that onto my lids. And the first thing I'm gonna do is, well, for the eyeshadow palette today, I'm using the Subcultural eyeshadow palette. All the information and everything that I've used will be in the description box below, so make sure you guys go check that out. So I'm just using a transition shade right now, and now I'm using a dark brown shade to just blend in with that transition color, because I was not really liking how that looked, so I just wanted something darker, so I just tried to blend in a darker color. Now I'm using like a really dark purple, like a mauve, and I'm blending that on my crease on top of that dark brown, just to like blend everything together to have a nice transition, to have a nice color, and just to get it exactly where I want it. Now this is my first time using this palette, and I know it's been out for a while, and I really don't like it. It doesn't blend really well, and it just doesn't do it for me, but it's what I used on today's video. Now I'm just using that green shade from that same palette, and I'm using a small brush, and I'm just blending that into the beginning of my eyes and onto my eyelids. And then what I'm gonna do after that is I'm gonna take my brush that had the dark purple from before, just with whatever is left on it. I'm not gonna add any more, and I'm just gonna use it to blend out with that green so it could look really nice and sharp. And now I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette just to highlight my brow bone with the Sun Dipped color. I'm applying my mascara, and then I will also be measuring the lashes before I use them, so I could know if I need to cut anything or not. And I did not need to cut anything, so I'm just applying my lashes and just making sure that I fit them really nicely. I am now going to prime my face using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And on top of that, I am using the Professional Primer from Benefit. On top of that primer, I will be using the Mineral Face Shield, which is an environmental protection from Repassage. And for the final step, I am using the Vitacura serum on my face, under my eyes, and on top of my eyebrows, and this is also from Repassage. And for foundation for today, I used the Huda Beauty. I mixed the nutmeg and cinnamon color together just to find my perfect match. And for concealer today, I use the LA Girl Pro concealers. I'm gonna use 2 of them together, and I will have the colors listed in the description box because I don't remember exactly which colors that I used. I am setting my concealer with my Maybelline setting powder. For contour, I am using the Crayon Case Contourization Notebook, and I am using those two colors that I'm showing you right now. To bronze up a little bit, I am using the NYX matte bronzer. And to set my face, I am using the Urban Decay All Nighter Pollution Protection Setting Spray. After I spray my face, I just take the back of my beauty blender and I just pat my face very lightly so I could just get that spray to just set into my skin and into my makeup so everything could blend in really well together. And I learned this technique from Elisa Ashley, so thank you, sis. I will be doing my liner, and I'm using this pen tip liner from L'Oreal. To a highlight, I am using the Anastasia Glow Kit Sunlit palette, and I'm using the color bronze. for my lips, I just used a brown pencil, and I just used a lipstick from Maybelline, which I do not remember the color, so I will have it in the description box below. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment or suggestions that you may have. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.